In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search chats in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly find any past conversation without scrolling endlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and search for ChatGPT. You can use any search engine you like. This is a simple way to get to the official site if you don't already have it bookmarked. When the results appear, look for the official ChatGPT website. It should be clearly labeled and secure, which you can usually confirm by the padlock icon in the address bar. Clicking the correct result will take you straight to the app. Once the page loads, sign in to your account. Use the login method you normally use, whether that's an email and password or a single sign-on option. Make sure you're signing in to the same account where your past conversations live, since your chat history is tied to that account. After you're signed in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface with a left sidebar. At the top of that sidebar, click the magnifying glass icon. That's the search icon, and it opens the search bar so you can look across your previous chats. This is handy if you're trying to revisit a solution, a code snippet, or a piece of advice you received earlier. If you prefer using the keyboard, there's a faster way. Press CMD+K on a Mac or Ctrl+K on Windows to instantly open the search bar. This shortcut works best when the ChatGPT window is active, so click anywhere inside the app first if it doesn't respond. Using the shortcut becomes second nature and saves time when you're bouncing between conversations. With the search bar open, type a keyword or phrase you remember from the conversation you're trying to find. Be as specific as you can. Unique terms, project names, or distinctive phrases will help narrow the results. You'll see matching conversations appear as you type. When you spot the conversation you want, click on the result to jump directly to it. ChatGPT will open that thread, and you can pick up right where you left off, copy important details, or continue the discussion. If it's something you reference often, consider renaming the chat for easier searching next time. That's it. Open your browser and find the official site, sign in, use the search icon or the keyboard shortcut to bring up the search bar, and click the result you need. With these steps, you'll retrieve past chats in seconds and keep your workflow moving smoothly.